Hi, and welcome to another video by Get It Done Home Repairs. Today we're going to talk about what do you do when the light bulb in your dryer burned out and is no longer working. It is a very simple repair. You just have to make sure you get the correct light bulb to put in there. You can't just put any bulb in. It has to be one made for a dryer. Otherwise you're going to have a problem with it. Alright, so let me bring you in. I'll show you where it is, and then we're going to change it, and this job will be done. Most of the time, whenever your bulb goes out, it's usually never this switch down here. This switch is very, very rare to go bad, but if you press it and you see the light flickering, then you know something's going on with this switch right here. And of course, make sure that you check to see that the plug is in, or maybe the bulb itself has fallen out. That does happen sometimes too. All right, so let's get in there. Let's get the bulb out. We'll put the new one in, and we'll get this job done. Now, looking at it from the back, this is the bulb itself. It's hard to tell because it's crooked backwards here. This is where the light bulb is located, right up inside here. This is the bulb right here. Now, if you can't see it, you can stick your head in the dryer just to get at it. But just like any other light bulb, you unscrew it, just like this, and you take it out, and that's the bulb itself. All right, so let me grab the replacement. I already have one, and we're going to put it back in, and we'll get this job done. Like I said, make sure you get the correct light bulb. Now, if you can't get in here, like I said, you can stick your head inside. And that's it. Just make sure it's snug like any other light bulb. And that's it. This job is done. We're going to press the button to make sure. Okay. So that's it. The light bulb is in and it works perfectly. I don't know if you can see it, but we know it does work. We're pressing the on and off switch here, and you can see it working perfectly. But this is the light bulb right here. As you can see, the base is a little bit smaller than the standard light bulb. Now, I know you can get these in any of the big box stores. The one that I actually got, not that I'm endorsing this product, but this is the light bulb that I'm using right here. And like I said, you could probably get them in the supermarket. You could probably get them in a big box store. You can get them just about any place. All right, but this job is done, and we're on to the next one. So if you have a light bulb that burns out in your dryer, no big deal. Just get the bulb, put the bulb in, and you'll be good to go. All right, as always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.